Hi everyone. In our previous class, we have started to discuss about the topic that is weather and climate for the grade 5th. Today we shall continue our discuss our topic about the weather and climate. My dear students, in our previous class, we have discussed about the differentiation between weather and climate and a definition of weather and a definition of climate. And we have discussed many important topics regarding the term weather and climate. I mean, what is weather, what is climate, and what are the effects of weather and climate. These are some important points which we have discussed in our previous class. Today we shall move on to a very important topic and a very remarkable topic in the terms of weather and climate, that is elements of weather and climate. See, for everything we should I think we are very familiar with all these things: temperature, humidity, and rainfall. These three are important things which are responsible for a regular change in weather and climate also. See, these are the things which indicates the change in the weather and climate. I mean, if we feel very high temperature, we are going to decide that it is very hot or it is summer. If we are going to feel a rainfall, we are going to decide that it is a monsoon season and weather is very cold. If we are going to feel humid in nature, I mean the kind of nature which we are going to feel when we are very near to oceans or sea, such kind of temperature variation is known as humidity. I mean, it is very hot, and for looking it might be look little cool, and we are very near to very huge water bodies, but inside we are going to feel very hot. So such kind of nature, such kind of climate is known as humidity, and you are very familiar with this thing. I mean, rainfall or monsoon, which is going to flow annually. So when we are going to discuss about the temperature is an indication of weather and climate. I mean, by seeing the temperature itself, we are going to decide what kind of weather we are feeling right now. I mean, if we are feeling a very hot climate, the temperature is will be very high. When we are going to feel a very cold, the temperature will be very less. I mean, it might go to minus degree Celsius also. So temperature plays a very important role in the decision of taking a decision of weather and climate. So temperature plays a very important role, and humidity and rainfall, these two also a indication of a weather and climate. If we are going to feel very humid in humidity, I mean, it's in very general sense. When we are going to feel in rather than oceans and seas, in other all places, when we are going to feel it's very humid, it's an indication of a rainfall. If we are feeling very humid in afternoon or morning, it's an indication that at the evening time we are going to face a rainfall. So there are interconnection between the one factor to another factor. There are many interconnection between the one factor to another factor. When we are going to discuss about the weather and climate, these two are very important elements which affects or which decides the changing of weather and climate. See, temperature, because we are going to observe the weather and climate, and we are going to observe the changes in the weather and climate by the term of temperature. I mean, we are going to decide whether it is cool, whether it is hot, whether it is monsoon, whether it is humid, whatever it. Every change in the weather and climate are decided or noted or recognized by the temperature itself. In the same way, when we are going to discuss about the humidity and rainfall, these two are actually interconnected. I mean, when we are going to feel humid in nature, that's an indication of rainfall. These are the factors which says us about the weather and climate. Next, we shall discuss about the very important factors which are going to influence on the climate. I mean, see some important factors. I mean, the geographical factors or geographical imaginary lines or geographical creatures, they are going to influence on the weather and climate. Especially, they are going to influence on the climate. Which are those? See, in this green board, I have mentioned about only latitude, because we are going to discuss today about only latitude. In our next class, we shall discuss about the longitude and altitudes and some other important factors or some other important imaginary lines which are going to affect on the which are going to affect on which are going to affect or which are going to influence on the changing of weather and climate. My dear students, I think you are very familiar with latitude. I mean latitudes are horizontal lines which flows from north to south. I mean in our previous class, in our 4th standard itself, we have learned about the latitudes. Latitudes are the line, or latitudes are the imaginary lines which flows from latitudes are the imaginary lines which flows from west to east. Latitudes are horizontal line which flows from west to east. The lines which flows from west to east are known as latitudes. And important latitudes is the central latitude. It is called as equator. Equator is a latitude which divides Earth into two equal parts. That is northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. These latitudes influence on the changes of weather and climate. Why? Because the weather and climate are decided or changed by the rotation and revolution taking place around the Earth. It affects on the sunlight which falls on the Earth. So on which latitude our place is located and how much distance it is located to equator. These are the factors which affect on the changing of weather and climate. See, if we are at a certain latitude, how much distance is measured from equator to latitude? This distance is responsible for changing of weather and climate. Why it is responsible for changing of weather and climate means when the rotation or revolution are taken place, it is moving around the earth. So at what time the sunlight is going to fall on the latitude which we are present, it depends or it influences on the changing of weather and climate. See, the rotation and revolution which is taking place around the sun is a major reason for the changing of weather and climate. So because of this, the latitude is also very important reason for the changing of weather and climate. Latitude influences in a very big way for the changing of weather and climate. In our next class, we shall discuss about the influences which are going to take place by the latitude and altitude and many other geographical terms. In our next class, we shall discuss all those things. My dear students, today we have discussed about the elements of weather and climate. The elements of weather and climate are temperature, humidity and rainfall. Why these three important things are called as elements? Because these three important things indicates us about the weather and climate. If we are facing a very high temperature, we are going to say it is a summer or it is very hot. If we are going to face a very low temperature, we are going to consider it is a very cold in temperature. And humidity and rainfall, one or another way they are interconnected. When we are going to face humidity in other part of the earth except the coastal regions, we are going to say that we might have a monsoon or a rainy very soon. If we are going to rain is a direct visual thing which we all can observe. So we are going to rainfall is an indication of a monsoon season, and in the coastal regions we are going to face a humidity in all over most of the time. And these are the three important factors which these are the three important elements which says us about the weather and climate and the factors influencing on the weather and factors influencing on the climate. See, today we have discussed about the only latitude, longitude, altitude and many other geographical terms which influences on the climate. We shall discuss in the next class. Latitude plays a very important role. It influences in a large manner in the changes of climate. Why? Because the rotation and revolution which takes place around the sun, it's a major factor which affects on the changing of weather and climate. So it is indicated or it is recognized by the latitude where we are going to live. So latitude is a factor which influences in a large way about the weather and climate. This is all about the today's class. In the next class we shall discuss about the factors, other important factors which influences on the weather and climate, that is longitude, altitude and many other things. Thank you, Ananda.